Right, folks, here we are on Trading Up. We've got Master FX Shifu here with us to show us what is going to be a pretty fantastic little video here. He's going to show us a 1 to 100 trade he took, and not just how he took it, but you can see the trade, but you're also going to see the proof of when he took it in the Trading Nut chat room and all the comments and replies and stuff that literally in the Trading Nut chat room. So you're going to see that. Then he's going to give you a setup for a future trade, which by the time this goes live, it'll probably have already happened. So what I'll do is probably tail this, or you can jump into the Trading Nut chat and see how that trade progressed, but I'll probably tack it on to the end of this video anyway. So welcome back to the show, Master FX Shifu. And sorry, I should mention, guys, we did do an amazing podcast. So if you want to hear his full journey, then head over to the link below the video and go and check that out next. But yeah, welcome to the show.
Awesome. How's it, Cam?
Yeah, very good, mate. Look, we're going to get you to share your screen and get on with it. Hey folks, my sponsors City Traders Imperium have just launched some amazing changes to their funded trader program you got to check out. You can now skip the whole evaluation, trade gold as well as Forex, plus they've increased the drawdown you're allowed in both the evaluation and when funded. With CTI, it's even faster and easier to reach up to $4 million in funding with a 50 to 70% profit share. Click the link in the description to find out what else has changed.
So I'm going to share this specific trade that was taken last week, early in the month. And just so I'm also a normal trader, so I do get losses. I lost this one yesterday, but eventually came into my zone. And this position was posted today, actually. But anyway, okay, we'll catch up with that one. So I'm sharing this 1 to 100 position, and where it started. So basically, I started it with on the daily. I think we'll share the Trading Nut pictures from there. But I started on the daily. I picked a zone of entry, which was based on this level here. This level here, this gray area. So this was a good key level for me. And then also this high here was another key level. So if I'd missed this entry, I was going to take an entry from this top here. You'll see on the Trading Nut post, there were 2 entries for this gold position. And then what happened, I posted this, I think it was in the evening. And during my close of day analysis, posted in the group, and got wicked out at first. And, gold at the tight stops. So yeah, I also asked if anybody got this trade, how it went and so forth. And then momentum, like I mentioned in the podcast, I don't like using limit orders, but I'd rather let the trade pass. And then when it comes back, I use momentum for it to be triggered in. And then that's what it just did. Literally just started tanking all the way down. And I think by the time London Open hit, the position was running at 1 to 20. And then, yeah, it just kept going all the way down until it hit 1 to 100.97. So that was basically trailed from 1 to 10. And yeah, gradually adjusting the stop all the way. And some people, or some of the students that took the trade, they actually exited at this level here, or they got wicked out here. But yeah, those that left it running kept going with it. And then a whole lot of imbalances were created during this down move. We started creating an opportunity to start taking the trade as it got filled, but we didn't take this up move. We left it. I mean, we had a good RR on it. And let me go to the Trading Nut Telegram channel of the post, and then you'll see how the trade went. Okay, so this is when it was posted. Let's see, right here. As I mentioned, there was this position at the top where I got in from this wicks high, or this level here, this key zone here. So by the time I posted it, it wicked into the key zone. And then let's go back to my chart. I'm going to zoom in so you can just have a clear look at what was happening here. So by the time I posted it, I think it was this specific candle here, somewhere here. And then wicked in with this candle here. And then that's when it got out, and then this is the loss that we took, the SL, because we got out and then came back up again, hit the SL and then came back down. That's when the momentum hit it, triggered it in here, and then went all the way down. And then this is when I started posting. So at 8 in the morning, before London opened, actually, this is where you got the 1 to 20 RR. And then I posted how the position went. It was at 1 to 30 at this time. And then it just kept tanking. Kept tanking. This started 1 to 55. And then, okay, those were other trades. And then I think this was at 1 to 60. And then this was when I was like tired. I mean, I even had to zoom out. It was at 1 to 80. And it just kept tanking. I was like, man. And then, yeah, so this was it actually. And then from the 1 to 80, that's when I was like, guys, you can follow the trade yourself. And then, yeah, you'll see how it goes from there.
Hey, want to trade crypto and gold like the institutions? Well, you can, and it's free for 14 days with Sage Strategies, fully automated trading strategies. Check out their live track records for 25 unique strategies, plus they host everything for you, which is perfect for beginners to advanced traders or investors. Simply sign up for their 14-day free trial today to experience it for yourself. Cool. Now, do you want to show us this trade that's setting up for you? We'll follow this one. We'll track this one along as well. So this was CHF JPY.
Yeah, let me go to it quickly. Gold is actually gone. I should actually update this on the group 2.6. Anyway,
this is a current trade you've got running on gold.
Yeah, okay. I think I shared it on Trading Night. I'm not sure. I think I did. I'll check. Yeah, so with this one, CHF JPY. I was looking at this zone this morning, using this zone as an entry, using the order block here. And then what I did was scroll down for the daily, got my key zone, went into the 4-hour, started looking at all the trend lines, started looking at all the imbalances that are in this price, and then where price is most probably going to try and fill. I scrolled down to the 1-hour again, continued looking at the imbalances, and then 15-minute and then 5-minute. And then on the 5-minute chart, that's when I got this area, the entry point, and that'll be my stop loss range basically. So the high and the low, and then just above the candle will be my stop loss, and then just below will be my entry point. And then there's actually a live of this when this was actually happening during the morning when I'll share with you as well. And then from there, after this trade it actually got triggered, and then it hit our stop loss, and then we're waiting for a re-entry. So I always give my trades two opportunities to give me some money. And then what I did, I said, you know what, wait for price to come back down, because clearly what happened here, whatever orders were laying here, we just picked out now. They were taken out, and then our price is going to come back down, and then start focusing on all this liquidity that's laying in the zone here. And then all these zones here, we're going to get taken out. All of them. So that's what I'm counting on. And then now, because price is coming back down again, we're looking at an entry at this level. And then for the risk averse traders that keep a stop all the way up there, and then I'm going to keep it the same at this level, looking at this far left candles. And just highlight it quickly, looking at that level, and also looking at this one here. I'm seeing this as they call it fake outs. So I'm seeing it as a fake out coming back down. Then when the tank happens, it's going to happen, and it's going to come down very aggressively. If not, we'll find another position that does. So yeah.
Cool. So if it doesn't, so you might get stopped out on your second attempt. If you do, will you carry on for a third?
No. That's one of the rules I follow. 2 losses in a row, and with the trade, you'll wait for another opportunity that comes.
Hey guys, ever wonder what broker I use? Well, I use these guys, Hanko Trade. Look, it was a no-brainer for me because I was looking for a broker with really good trading conditions and one without any leverage restrictions. Look, also, by joining Hanko Trade, I was able to cut my cost of trading significantly with their super low commission of $1 per 100K. Look, if you want to find out more, check out hankotrade.com, or there is a link in the description.
Good day, guys. I'm going to do a quick review of a trade that we analyzed last, and just to give you guys feedback of where it is and what happened. So we took this trade last week, and this is what happened. Initially, we had this analysis here, and then we were triggered in at this point, or actually we were triggered in somewhere here before this bullish candle, and then it kicked us out. We went into a second trade where we used momentum to come in, whereby we were triggered at this point here, and then the trade went all the way down to this level. It maxed out at that level, which is around, sorry about that, which is around 122, just over 122, and then that's when we adjusted our stop to entry and took some partials, and then price went back up again, broke even, and then because we lost the first trade, won the second trade, we didn't enter the third. But now let me just give you a show of how the third went for those that took it. It was triggered again at this level, somewhere around here, and then as you can see, the stop was just over the limit here at that level, and then the trade ultimately tanked. It actually even surpassed our initial target rate, going down all the way to, let's see, it maxed at 1237. So that's how the CHF trade went.
Thank you for coming on the show, Master FX Shifu. Before we wrap up, what's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
Forex Dojo on all social media, Master FX Shifu on Telegram, Trading Night, you'll find me in there, and my own channel, find me in there. And on our website, uniforexdojo.com, just drop an email and contact us. That's
Brilliant. Brilliant. Well, look, guys, do remember we did shoot a podcast of this full interview, finding out how he got to where he got to, and all that stuff is over there in the Trading Nut Telegram chat, and there'll be a link to that underneath this video as well, both those things. Do remember, hit subscribe, hit like, and click on the notifications bell, click all, so you get notified of videos like this hitting your screen very soon.